Hi. If you are wondering that your PC has NVMe or SSD or HDD, then this video is gonna help you a lot. So, let's start. First, come to Taskbar. Right-click and come to Task Manager. Here, come to Performance. I have some disks here. The most important one is C drive. You can see it's NVMe drive. My C and D drive is in NVMe. Then my other disks are SSD, which is of SATA port. And the other one is hard disk of SATA port. So, this is how you can simply check your PC storage if it's NVMe, SSD, or HDD. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.